So we have inverse function. So ang symbol ni inverse function, f raised to negative 1 of x. So dapat ganito makikita ko pong symbol ng inverse function. When we say inverse function, kabaliktaran siya ng original function. So let's have an example. If we have f of x is equal to 5x plus 2, we are going to look for their inverse function. Ano po? Ito yung original. Hahanapin natin yung kanyang inverse function. So step by step, step number 1, yung f of x papalitan natin ng y. So kopya yung mga natira. So again, yung f of x papalitan ng y. Second step, interchange the x and y. Ibig sabihin yung y magiging x, yung x magiging y. Pagpapalitin lang. Yung y magiging x at yung x magiging y. Okay? Next step naman po, we are going to transpose the positive 2 sa kabila. Dahil kailangan nating matira yung 5y lang o yung may y lamang. Yung 2 walang y, kailangan nating ilipat sa kabila. From positive 2, magiging negative 2. So yung x copy lamang. Then yung positive 2 magiging negative 2 since nalipat sa kabila. Then copy yung hindi nagalaw. Okay? Next step, kailangan y yung ating makuhang sagot. Since yung y ay may katabing number, kailangan nating matanggal yung number na katabi ni y. So anong gagawin natin? Divide both side kung anong katabi ni y. Ang katabi niya ay 5, therefore sa 5 natin sila i-divide both side. Cancel yung 5 at matitira si y. So isusulat natin yung sagot, x minus 2 over 5. Etong x minus 2 over 5, ayan na yung ating inverse function since ayan yung value ni y. So paano natin isusulat yung sagot? Dapat ito yung symbol. So therefore, our answer is f raised to negative 1 of x is equal to x minus 2 over 5. That is our final answer. Ibig sabihin, ito yung original function, ito yung kanyang inverse function. Okay? Sige, another example. Paano naman kapag may denominator? For example, f of x is equal to 3x minus 2 over 4. So, paano kapag ganan? So, first step natin, yung f of x papalitan ng y. Okay? Yung f of x papalitan ng y. Copy po yung iba. Second step, interchange the x and y. Yung y magiging x, yung x magiging y. Yung y magiging x at yung x magiging y. So ngayon, may denominator siya. At ang goal natin ay matanggal yung denominator at ang tanging paraan ay multiply both side para matanggal ang denominator. Kung ano ang denominator, doon nyo po i-multiply both side. Magkabilang dulo para makancel ang denominator. So solve 2 times x, so that is 2x. Then kopya yung natira, 3y minus 2. Okay? Ngayon, si negative 2, kailangan natin ilipat sa kabila dahil wala naman siyang y. Okay po, si negative 2 itatranspose sa kabila. From negative 2, magiging positive 2. Then, copy yung 2x. Copy yung natira na 3y. Okay? Next, may katabing number si y. Kailangan y lang ang matira. Divide both side kung anong katabi ni y, that is 3. Divide both side by 3, cancel yung 3. Matitira si y at ang makukuha nating sagot ay 2x plus 2 over 3. So, paano natin isusulat ang final answer? F raised to negative 1 of x is equal to 2x plus 2 over 3. That is our final answer. So, ganun naman ang gagawin kapag mayroong denominator. Paano naman po kapag may exponent na mas mataas? Or may exponent? For example, f of x is equal to 4x raised to 5 minus 3. Paano kapag ganun ang given? So, ganito lang yan. Yung f of x papalitan ng y. Okay, tulad dati. And then, interchange yung y magiging x, yung x magiging y. Yung y magiging x, at yung x magiging y. Next step, yung negative 3, itatranspose sa kabila. From negative 3, magiging positive 3. So, copy ang x, negative 3 magiging positive 3. Copy yung natitira na 4y raised to 5. Ngayon, may katabing number yung y na 4. Kailangan matanggal yan. Ang gagawin, divide both side by 4. So, cancel yung 4. Ang matitira ay y raised to 5. then yung x plus 3 over 4. Ngayon, may exponent yung ating pong y. Ano ang gagawin natin para matanggal yung exponent? So, ang tanging paraan dyan ay radical sign, yung ganan. Radical. So, kung meron tayong exponent na 5, ang tanging paraan po para matanggal yan ay fifth root. Kung ilan ang kanyang exponent, ganun din yung kanyang root. Ano po, since 5 ang exponent, fifth root ang ating gagamitin, both side, para makancel yung exponent at matira si y. At ito ang ating magiging sagot, fifth root of x plus 3 over 4. So, paano isusulat ang sagot? F raised to negative 1 of x is equal to the fifth root of x plus 3 over 4. And that is our final answer. Okay? So, ganun ang gagawin kapag mayroon namang exponent. So, radical sign ang tanging paraan. So, sana clear ang inverse function.